Hi, welcome. I'm Stephanie with Chapman Realty Group, also known as Market Mama. We are here today to try to show you what we like to do to help sell your house. We have several tips and lots of information to help you with your selling process to sell your home. So much information, just like what our son Sasha would give you.
Hello, welcome to this open house. Here's our buying process.
We have our daughter Selena, who has her job as well.
I like to do is get people to sign and let you know who was in your house.
That is very important. So we definitely let people to sign in. We have our digital way of doing it, and we also have our paper way for doing things. We put information throughout in a localized location so people can see various information. Like I said, we have you to sign in. We have buying tips for buying a home. We have information for teachers, veterans, police officers, and firefighters. That's also helpful as well. Selling your home is very important to us, and we want to make sure we get the best job done for you.
So when you're ready to sell your home, you get a professional team who's always prepared and ready to go. For example, we have eye-catching flyers that we've already posted on social media. We pass out around the neighborhood. Your neighbors know. Tons of people know that the open house is here. Number two, we're prepared to go. Any question that someone has, we have workstations throughout the home that we can pull information up on a moment's notice. We are always prepared to make sure we can answer any questions for your potential buyers. Two, we educate your buyers. So when it comes time to negotiate, it's easier for you and I to work with them, right? So we tell them what is the process of buying a home, make sure they truly understand it, whether they're with another agent or not, but it's going to help and benefit us in the long haul. So at Chapman Realty Group, we are always ready to go. We're here to help you and serve you. And listen, give us a call, 903-293-1028 or 817-668-0311. We'd love to chat with you about your home and help you get your house on the market.